Happy Wednesday, guys. I hope that your week has been going well. Mine has been okay. Can you already believe that we are basically in the last week of September? Where is the year going? I'm so happy I actually have a Watermarble Wednesdays to share with you guys. So if you'd like to see how it turned out, keep on watching. As always with any of my gradients or watermarble nail art, I'll be going in and using a white base coat which will help the colors pop. I'll be using Sinful color Snow Me White in 2 thin coats. Now that I've given the base coat some time to dry, I'll also be going in and applying a thin coat of Girly Bits Waterrush top coat, which will help to speed up the drying process as well. And before I go in and get started with this marbling, I will be protecting my cuticle area by applying some of Girly Bits Border Patrol Latex Barrier. Now that I'm ready to get this water marble started, I'll be using my TwinkledT Glamor mat, and it does come with this little cute cup, which I do love to use for my water marbling. I'll also be using O.P.I Keeping Suzi at Bay, along with China Glaze Intelligence, Integrity, and Courage, and also my favorite water marbling tool by What's Up Nails, Pure Color number 7. Now I'll be trying to create a bullseye with alternating the colors to start my water marble nail art, and then once I am satisfied with how many drops of polish I have, I will start to create my design. Now that I'm satisfied with the pattern that I've created, I'll be going in and trying to dip my finger at a 45-degree angle and using a Q-tip to pick up any of the excess polish around my finger before I do attempt to bring it out of the water. Now that I've cleaned up around my cuticles, I'll be applying one last and final coat of Girly Bits Waterrush top coat. And that's it for this week's Watermarble Wednesdays. So what do you guys think? Do you like the color combo? Do you like doing water marble nail art? As I've stated before, it is like one of my favorite techniques to do. To my new subscribers, welcome to my channel, and for those of you that have been around now since the beginning, thanks for staying tuned. As always, guys, I'll have the products that I used in this video listed down below. And don't forget, if you have any comments and or questions, feel free to leave them as well. And please do give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and as always, guys, stay glamorous.